How to fix stretch screen in Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing two such ways to which we can fix the issue. For the first one, we'll be updating the driver of display. So for that, what you can do is open your Windows and right click on the Start button. Now click on the Device Manager. Once you have opened the Device Manager page, here are different kinds of files and folders. Search for the display adapter and then right click on its adapter and go to the properties. Now click on driver and click on update driver. Make sure that you are connected to your internet, and now you can either select search automatically or browse by computer. Once this is done, you can close the device driver or the display driver. Now for the next option, click on type here to search, and then you have to search for display settings. Once you have opened it, you will see the option of display resolution. Here you can select from a list of options. You can either select the recommended one or you can reduce as much as you like. Doing so will then solve your problem definitely. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.